let's talk about Unix versus Linux. Many people consider them as same thing. Okay, so we will discuss the difference between the two. So let's start with Unix first. Okay, so Unix was developed by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie in 1970 at Bell Labs Research Center. Okay, and it was written in C language, which was later opted by AT&T. AT&T stands for American Telephone and Telegraph. Okay, so when Unix was opted by AT&T, they make it a paid operating system. Okay, so Unix is paid, and the most popular example of Unix is Mac OS. You all have heard about Mac OS, right? And these are the other examples of Unix. Now let's talk about Linux. Okay, so Linux was developed by Linus Torvalds, okay, in 1991, which later made available to public in 1994. Okay, so it comes under GPL, that is General Public License. Okay, which means it is completely free. It's actually a open source software, right? And it is actually the clone of Unix. So Linux is a clone of Unix, and the examples of Linux are Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Fedora, Ubuntu, and Debian, okay, etc. Right?